pretty day out here today. And the birds are eating well. I have their little seeds down, their pecans, their walnuts, peanuts. What else do I have down for them? I have some steamed corn that I put down. Split peas. Again, they don't like the split peas too much, but one of the bird seed that I get comes with it, so they leave it, but after a while it disappears. I put down some bits of apple. For the little birds. Hi. There's shelled and unshelled nuts now. I try to give them a mixture for the squirrels also, but I haven't seen any squirrels today.